Hi all, welcome back to the SDET-DD channel. So today's question is, what is the difference between Notepad and Eclipse while writing the Java program? So see, Notepad is ideally used for making any notes, as it states Notepad, right? And Eclipse is the actual integrated development environment, that is the IDE, where we can write the code. So there are two different approaches we can follow. We can write the code as we did in the previous video. We can write the code in Eclipse, sorry, in the Notepad as well. And using this javac.filename command, we can compile the program, which converts source code file, that is the main.java, to the class file, that is the main.class main.class. Okay. And the Java main executes the program, right? So ideally, we use most of the times Eclipse, but we should know how we can write the program inside Notepad and how to compile and execute them, right? That is we have covered in previous video. So, talking much about this question, like what is the main difference? So over here, you could see it just shows the plain text, right? There is no any sort of color combination or any, error identification. You could see I removed semicolon, still it does not complain me. While compiling, it will show me an error, but during coding itself, it will not providing me errors, right? So I'll go here into the ID. This is also the what first program we did, right? Let's say this is my class, test class, and within this test class, I do have main method. And within main method, I'm printing some, statements that is welcome to KV automation, for example, or welcome to Java, let's say. Welcome to Java. Let me execute it, run as Java application. Yes, here is the output. So over here, you could see there are few, words which are highlighted into the purple color. They are called as in terms of Java as keyword. So you definitely get to know like these are the keywords predefined by Java. We cannot reuse or modify them, right? And they are case sensitive. Java is a case sensitive language. It means by mistake, if we write public like this, it will not identify that keyword and it will show the error. You could see here the syntax error public. What is expected, guys, over here? This small letter P, right? So this is the beauty of IDE. We usually gets error if we are making, any syntax mistakes. So let's try to make similar mistake what we did in Notepad, and you could see the error location here, right? Syntax error, insert semicolon to complete the block of statement, right? So it's telling us during coding only, like is there any sort of syntax error, and we get to know like, yeah, oh, we are making mistake over here, we need to correct it. So likewise, there is a main difference, like in the Notepad we do not have any sort of such a features, but when it comes to the Eclipse IDE, it provides the error location as well as using some short form. Let's say I would like to print have another printing statement, I can write CISO in short, and I can press control space bar, so it will automatically complete that syntax. Let's try to print hello. Okay. And I'll try to execute it one more time. So you could see hello word is printed to the console. So likewise, we do have lots of shortcuts, which is provided by the particular Eclipse IDE. And within this IDE, you could see there are lots of options. And in upcoming series or maybe videos, we are going to cover. Yeah. So currently, like staying focused on this question. So now you guys must be knowing, what is the basic difference and the major one. Like within Notepad as well, we can write program, but when it comes to the complex programs or the project structure, we always would refer any IDE. And in for the current series, we are using Eclipse IDE for the Java development. Yeah, that's all about the main basic difference. Yeah, and there are many more like debugger and all. We'll be covering going further. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned for the more updates.